Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register. Hey everyone, here's the question for this video. If the radius of the circle is 5 cm, what is the area of the red square? Pause the video if you want to answer this first. In order to answer this question, you need to look at the question at a different perspective. Firstly, you know that the radius of the circle is 5 cm. Here, you can realize that it is a right angle triangle, and you can find the side of the square just by finding the hypotenuse of the triangle. Suppose that the hypotenuse is C, you can find the hypotenuse of the triangle using the Pythagorean theorem, where c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Hence, since a and b is 5, c squared is equal to 5 squared plus 5 squared, and therefore c squared is equal to 25 plus 25 or 50. Finally, c is equal to the root of 50. Since we finally find the side length of the square, we can now find its area. The area of a square is equal to side times side, which is equal to c times c. Hence, the area of the square is equal to the root of 50 times the root of 50, or 50 cm squared. Besides this method, you can also use another method. In the second method, you can split the square into two identical triangles. And now, you can find the area of one triangle to find the whole area of the square. The triangle area is equal to half times base times height. Furthermore, we also note that the base is 10 cm and the height is 5 cm. Therefore, the area of one triangle is equal to 25 cm squared. Since the area of the square is equal to twice the area of the triangle, hence the area of the square is 50 cm squared. Thank you for watching this video. Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.